Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning! Say good morning, honey!
Good morning!
Okay, for today's video, finally nakalabas ng lungga ang lola at papunta ng city. Ayan, so masaya ako kapag nakakapunta ako ng city kasi number one, makakabili ako ng chat time.
Wow!
Wala kasing chat time dito. Ayan, oo nga pala, meron ditong Krispy Kreme pero walang Jayco. So nami-miss ko rin yung Jayco. Ayan, tsaka try naming mag-Jollibee mamaya kung kaya namin. Ayan, so punta kami doon kasi magpapacheck up yung aking napakagwapong asawa. Gwapo is handsome.
Oh, and guapa is beautiful.
Yeah, and guapo is handsome. Ayan. You are handsome. I love you. Napakaswerte neto. Napakaswerte neto. Napakaswerte neto kasi may jowang maganda. Ha 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 ha. Yung lipstick ko nasa tit ko. Ayan, so time check 10 a.m. Gaya ng pinag-usapan before 10.
10 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Yeah, and not Filipino time, but
It's 10 o'clock p.m. in Philippines, isn't it?
11 p.m. So, not Filipino time here, guys, but Canadian time.
Yes,
So,
we're halfway around the world. And it's getting cold, not like nice and warm there when we're gonna join you.
You don't understand the word, Filipino time, because Filipinos tend to always be late or sometimes on the way or sometimes so many excuses. But here, it's always Canadian time, earlier. Like my sister.
5 minutes early or right on. Like we were leaving at 10 o'clock and it's 10:01 and we've left. In Canada, it's either 5 minutes early
Yeah.
or on the minute, right on the time, and then that's good.
Yeah, but we're on time, right?
Oh yes.
Oh, okay. So yeah, that's it. So like for example, when we went to hockey the other day, me and my sister-in-law talk about how time we will go there, and she told me like 10:30. Oh my goodness, the husband is really earlier. He will told us before, like what you call this, like 9:30, like that. So on time. They're very disciplined when it comes to time. Time is precious here. Precious. Ayan, so pakita ko sa inyo, umuulan ngayon. Yan, kita nyo? Sobrang lawak ng lupa na pagtataniman nila ng mga crops. Ayan. So umuulan siya today.
What's the date today? 18th?
No idea. I will check. 19.
19th.
Ayan.
It's raining outside and normally we have snow.
At
Said it's raining outside and normally we have snow.
But how-
On October 31st, it's 50-50 whether you have snow or not. And we're already the 19th of November, still no snow.
Oh, so the climate is changing here.
Oh yes. All the trees are naked now.
This Filipinas kinda lucky, I guess, because there is still no snow.
Don't you worry, you're gonna get to see snow and experience snow before we go.
You want me to experience snow, but not really my what
Yes,
you call this, my wish.
I take you naked and I throw you in the snow and you roll around and then you go, I don't want to see snow again.
Honey, You have to bring me to USA.
No, I just tried. I asked them at customs.
What?
I asked them, and I said, "Hey, I'm just going to get gas, but I'd like to know if I could bring my wife through. Just going to Winnipeg, and she's got a Filipino passport." And he said, "No, you need a
Transit visa.
transit visa or visitor's visa or something like that."
Yeah.
I'm going, what did you guys ever do to deserve that?
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
So yeah, sometimes Canadians do have a little bit question about the rules of the USA because they're very strict, but I have to fight my husband because I told my husband because there are so many Indians here that are what you call this. Oops, don't get angry with me, Indians. Okay, this is just a conversation. Okay, like so many Indians here, so many Filipinos, other foreigners that can you imagine if you visit Canada and you are here near, like border of US and the US is not strict, then I can just go there. Not just me, but all of the foreigners. So can you imagine what will happen to USA? Okay, now he understands.
Get flooded. Which it has been flooded for the last 3-4 years.
Oh yeah.
But now Trump's getting back in, and they're not. And all of a sudden, the people are have stopped coming, and he's going to finish his wall.
So like what you call this, I guess USA there are more Filipinos there than Indians, but here in Canada there are so many Indians than Filipino. So yeah, but Chinese is really everywhere. So yeah, so this grass for the cows, they will make a hay
Yeah.
for winter.
Oh, all the hay, all the crops and stuff this year. See those that white row over there? All round bales in, just to keep the weather off them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the road? An ending road?
Unending road, yeah.
Yeah. So that is the bush.
And the
It
naked
looks-
trees with no leaves.
Yeah, it looks sad, but when winter is here, then it will look amazing. They say.
Oh, in the winter time, the trees right now are starting to hibernate. And in the summertime, yeah, they look amazing with the leaves on them.
Yeah, with snow.
Oh, it's snow, I guess so.
Yeah. Ayan. So, thank you because, he was not with me for like four days to visit his kid and the other, in the other town. And that's, 6 to 7 hours travel, like that. And
Today, yeah, 4.
yeah, bumabawi siya guys, bumabawi. Yan, bumabawi siya guys, bumabawi. Kasi nawala ako, so isama niya daw ako sa check-up niya. Tapos mag-overnight kami doon. Kasi alam niya city girl ako, hindi ako country girl. Right, Annie?
Yes. I don't know what you said, but okay.
Yeah. You know me that I'm a city girl, right?
Yes.
Not a country girl, so this
You're
is...
gonna be a country girl.
Yeah,
Oh,
when I retired. Not now. So, yeah. It's a treat for me kasi yun. Mabibili ko na naman yung mga... Ayan. So, yan guys. Sa mga nagsasabing ba't hindi na ako nag-aayos, actually, mas gusto ko talaga na wala akong makeup, wala akong blush on. Tapos makikita nyo yung lipstick ko. Wala lang, kasing kulay lang siya ng lips ko. Tapos wala talaga akong blush. Wala talaga akong blush on. Wala talaga akong what you call this? Wala talaga akong blush on. Wala akong blush on. Alright, wala akong blush on. Wala akong powder, pressed powder, baby powder na ginagamit. Wala din akong eyeshadow. Yung gusto ko lang konting kilay. Ayan, para mag-match naman sa mukha ko. lang ako today. Makikita nyo talaga sa itsura ko. O nga pala, nadala ko ba yung pagiging Pilipino ko dito? Yes. Gusto ko ba yung mga tawag dito, yung mga ginagawa rin ng mga Canadians. Medyo, pero gusto ko talaga Pinoy way. Ayan, Pinoy way talaga ako. So, ayan, Pinoy way, pag mahaba-haba ang biyahe, usually wala sila dinadalang pagkain. Kasi dahil yun na, healthy sila, marami silang i-burn na glucagon. Marami silang i-burn na glucagon, yung taba sa katawan para ma-turn into energy. Protein, ano pa ba, kung ano yung kailangan ng katawan nila. Pag mataba sila, mag-fasting lang sila. So, ang gagawin ng katawan nila, so yung mga taba-taba nila, into turn into into protein, into energy. So, yun yung purpose. So, maganda na meron silang excess na taba kasi yun nga, dahil sa long travel dito. Pero yung iba kasi nasobrahan. Ayun. Sa mga bashers dyan, huwag kayong magalit sa akin, ha? kung ano kayo, kung medyo overweight kayo, fasting lang yon, fasting lang. Kailangan nyo lang ng disiplina. Tapos, ang bilis-bilis kasi ang diet, it's not about exercise. Ay, hindi. Yung pagpapapayat, it's not really about exercise. It's about your diet. Pero yung exercise na nag-accumulate ng muscle, yun ang maganda kasi piniprepare mo yung health mo in your later days. Ganon. So, yan. So, konting health tips. So, ako, meron ako ditong dalang chia. Chia na may almond milk. Tapos, meron siyang banana. Kasi wala pa akong kain. See, kahit payat ako, nagpa-fasting din ako. Ang last kong kain last night is 7 p.m. Pero 11 o'clock na wala pa akong breakfast. Tawag dyan fasting na. O diba tulog lang. Tulog lang yun. Akala mo nagpa-fasting ka pero natutulog ka. Kumbaga parang natutulog ka lang pala pero nagpa-fasting ka na. Maganda na yung nangyayari sa katawan mo. Yung abi ko, tapos na siyang mag-chia, tapos yung chia niya merong strawberry, blueberry, tapos after nun saka siya pwedeng kumain niya ng banana. So pagdating sa pagkain, talagang strict ako sa kanya kasi gusto ko healthy siya at gusto ko tumagal yung buhay niya. Right, honey?
Yes.
I want you to grow old with me, right?
Grow out.
Grow old with you.
Oh, yeah, grow old. I thought you grow out as in get fat with you.
No, grow old with you.
Yes,
So,
you're gonna grow old together.
yeah, so he has a cup of coffee here and me, I do have
Tea.
tea. And then, I do have this chicken soup. Ayan. Gawa ko to kahapon, leftover to. Ayan, so, yan. Kakainin ko siya today while nasa biyahe. Ayan, tapos, grabe talaga ako guys. Hindi talaga kayo magugutom sa Pilipina. Promise. Hindi talaga sila magugutom. Meron pa ako ditong pakita ko sa inyo anong mga dala-dala ko. Ayan. Meron pa siyang, hindi niya alam, meron siyang treat. Ito. Salami, tsaka yung favorite cheese niya. Did you know that I brought to you salami and cheese?
No, I did not know because I didn't look in the bag.
It's a surprise! And then I do have this bread that is very healthy. Ako pagdating sa bread, maselan ako kasi pinipili ko yung sobrang healthy. So this is a country bread.
It's Country Harvest, I think.
Yeah,
And it's ancient grains.
yeah, so
Lots of fiber and just a little bit of sugar. So the fiber zeroes out the sugar, I guess.
And so many minerals, so
Yeah.
many nutrients. It's the nutrients dense. What you call this, bread. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito ka-healthy na bread. So, hindi ko siya pinalagpas kahit medyo pricey siya. Hindi naman siya pricey, 300 pesos, not bad. So, masarap siya. And then, of course,
Oh my goodness.
my goodness, for our coffee, for our tea, we have blueberry muffin. So, yan. So, Filipino way tayo dito sa Canada, guys. Tapos, meron akong macadamia nuts. O, di ba? Hindi kayo magbubutom. Hindi kayo magbubutom. Naluloka sila sa akin kasi ang dami kong pagkain. So, ayun. Baon-baon din pag may time. Wala akong dalang beans. Nakalimutan ko. Parang ayaw ko na Sabi ko sa husband ko, magpapagupit ako pero feeling ko hindi na lang. Parang maganda naman yung buhok ko eh. Ek lang kasi yun minsan kasi syempre bagong gising ako guys pag nagpa-vlog ako, pag nasa bahay ka, ipakita mo na yung ano mo, yung excellent beauty mo. Tawag doon, excellent beauty. Walang makeup, walang lipstick, walang toothbrush, walang ligo-ligo. Tawag ko doon, yun na yung pinaka the best you. Kasi wala eh, walang makeup, walang lipstick, walang suklay. So, ikaw na talaga yun nasa bahay. So, yun yung ikaw talaga. Yun, tal-tal ko. Grabe. So, ayan. So, yung unending push na yan, guys, matatapos ng 4 na oras. Kaya din marami akong dalang pagkain kasi 4 na oras na biyahe to. At ayaw kong magtog. Ayun. Okay? So, hanggang dito na lang muna, guys, and see you again on our next vlog. Bye!